I don't know about you, but I am tired of spending my hard-earned coin on like hundreds of dollars at Sephora. Yes, I am guilty of that. Anyhow, so I'm going to show you one side of my face is going to be using more high-end products. This side of my face, I used drugstore products. And I hope, I don't know about you guys, but you can't really tell too much of a difference. If anything, I think I like the drugstore side just a little bit better. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get poreless, flawless skin using drugstore products, basically dupes for high-end products. So if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's just get right into it. So I've already washed my face, moisturized it. For this side of my face, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish. There was a time when you had me fall. Okay, and I'm just going to let this side sit, and then for this side of my face, the drugstore side, I am going to be using 3 different primers. The first primer I'm going to be using is this CoverGirl. It's their Simply Aging Anti-Aging Foundation Primer. And this is actually supposed to improve your skin over time the more you use it. The only thing I don't like about this is that it comes off white. So you have to use just a very small amount. Otherwise, it kind of like gives you this ashy cast on your skin. So you only need just a little bit. On this side of my face, I have a really big pimple, so you guys will see just how well these products work. Okay, the next primer I'm going to be using is this NYX Pore Filler. And with this one, because it was a little bit more expensive, it was like $16, I like to concentrate it where my pores are the biggest. So over that big pimple and then right along here. Okay, and then the third primer I'm going to be using is this Milani Prime Perfection Face Primer. It's a hydrating and a pore minimizing primer. And again, a lot of these come off white, and I'm just going to put them, I'm going to put most of the product where my pores are the biggest. So for this side of my face now, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. I love this stuff, but it's really expensive. I think it's like $40 or $50. And when you go through foundation really fast, that's just not feasible. And then for the drugstore side, I'm going to go in with this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. And I'm going to be using this Beauty Blender by Sonia Kashuk. So I believe she just came out with these like maybe a few weeks ago. At least I recently saw these at Target a few weeks ago. So this is her Beauty Blender, completely damp. And then this is the $20 Beauty Blender from Sephora. So there's a huge difference. This one is quite a bit bigger. That's what she said. Okay, so we're gonna go in and apply this. And then what I like to do, I got this like foundation brush from Sonia Kashuk as well, and it's really dense. I just like to go in with small circles and just kind of buff the foundation into my skin. The reason why I go in with a damp beauty blender first is because it kind of like makes your skin more like, makes your foundation more like skin. But this just gives it a really nice finish. So this side is the high-end side. This side is the drugstore side. So I don't know if you guys can tell. I think I like the drugstore side a little bit better. Just really nice. All right, so I'm just gonna go in and finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. So I just went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup, and this side is the high-end side, this side is the drugstore side, and I am feeling this drugstore side. So yeah, if you are about that life of saving a little coin, then this stuff and the 3 primers that I used are too legit to quit. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want kind of a full breakdown of how I just created the whole look, be sure to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And until next time, bye.